Always check your wall plan to determine reinforcement lengths and elevations. Lay one section of reinforcement near the corner of the wall. Make sure it's properly placed within 1 inch of the face of the wall and running along the back of the adjoining wall. Lay your next course of block, backfill, and compact. Now install a section of reinforcement on the adjoining wall within 1 inch of the face of the block and running along the back of the first wall. Repeat these steps at each course where reinforcement is required.